Hi, I'm Christine J. A. Solis, grade 6. This is my performance task in math, finding base, rate, and percent. At ito po ang sasugatan ko. N is 50% of 2. Using la. P equals R times B. Or percentage equals rate times base. P equals 50% times 2. Gawin natin itong decimal. P equal 0.5 times 2. P equal 1. Problem. Blank percent of 10 equal 2. R equal P divided by B. R equal 10 divided by 2. R equal 5. Bale, R equal 5%. And my third problem, 20% of N is 2. B equal P divided by R. B equal 2 divided by 20%. Yung 20%, papalitan natin ito into decimal point na 0.2. Base equal 2 divided by 0.2. B equal 10.